Hello, people. We are going to continue with our zodiac sign series. But before starting, I'm going to tell you one thing that the physical features and the career options, which I'm going to tell you about all the zodiac signs, may not resonate with you because the physical features of any person can be seen by their ascendant sign, and the career options of any person can be seen from their 10th house. We are talking about the moon signs, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but it has nothing to do with your physical features and your career options. You can just know about the personality traits and the way you think according to your moon sign, because moon represents your mind. So you may only resonate with your personality traits but not with physical features or career options. Anyway, if you know about your ascendant sign, then you may listen to it. So, today we are going to talk about Leo zodiac sign. We will discuss about physical features. They have strong face, their body is well structured and legs are usually tall. They have bushy eyebrows and they have a broad and stubby nose. Now we will move towards the personality traits of Leo. These people are very royal and regal people. They have wonderful presence. You can never neglect the presence of a Leo. They are soul and heart of the parties. They always speak with dignity. They have great sense of humor. They have a great pride inside them. They like all classy things. They have a very royal taste. They have a sense of self respect inside them, so it is advised not to hurt their ego as they are a little bit egoistic. They just crave to get compliments by the people. Leo people like longer hairs. A female Leo will definitely love long hairs, and they have thick and long hairs which look very beautiful. A male Leo usually have wide chest. Leo people love to rule because the ruler of Leo is Sun. They are born leaders just like Aries. They don't like to follow anyone. They tell all the things directly on the face. There are two types of Leos, Apollyon Leo and Herculean Leo. Apollyon Leo are the types of Leo which are idealistic and artistic in their nature. They are very spiritual and a social person. Now we will talk about the Herculean Leo. These people need power. They have a money and power, and they are materialistic in their nature. They like to be successful in life. These are the two types of Leo in which you can understand which type of Leo is resonating with you. Now we will talk about overall personality again. Leos are extremely independent people. They become independent at very early age of the life. Leos always like to be on a spotlight. These people love appreciation from others. It is like an oxygen to them. Their heart is very big and generous. Leo people are always well dressed. They always like to have branded things. They don't keep grudges in life. A Leo never behave in a cheap way. They always like expensive things. They will never have financial problems in life. They will always have great amount of money, especially the Herculean Leos. Leos help to Leos love to help people. Helping people gives them a sense of satisfaction of being a leader. Now we will discuss about some of the health issues which are related to Leos. Usually they have lots of vitality, but even they have problems related to back, and they are very fragile. Area is also hard. Clogging of arteries is also possible, and problems related to blood pressure is also possible with Leos. Now finally we are going to talk about career options which are related to Leo. They include advertising. They become a great politician. They are also good at graphic designing. They also do well in corporate executive jobs. They become a good cardiologist. They become a great actor and a motivational speaker. One of the example of Leo rising, I'm not talking about Leo moon, but Leo rising actor is Shah Rukh Khan. So you can understand they become a very great actor. So this was my analysis on Leo zodiac sign. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want any personal consultation, you can directly WhatsApp me or call me on the number which is provided into description box.